Across Wisconsin, counties are looking to sell their nursing homes, but Wisconsin's senior population is taking notice and standing up for their public health care centers. Our reporter Derek Tritz joins us in the studio with more. Derek.
That's right, Dan. On Thursday, seniors and community allies gathered in Stevens Point for the Wisconsin Senior Summit, an event addressing issues that affect senior citizens, chief among them the selling of public nursing homes. Dora Gorski had a very personal connection to the Pinecrest Nursing Home when it was owned by Lincoln County. After all, it's where her husband received care when he developed dementia.
They respected him, and they felt a lot of love for him. And you wouldn't have found that in some nursing home where I had to pay a fortune to keep him there.
But earlier this year, Pinecrest was sold to the Ensign Group, a private company. However, that isn't stopping Gorski from advocating for county-owned nursing homes.
We have a say in how they're run. For us, it's more important that we provide services to the residents than it is that we make money. Once it's taken over by a corporation, their number one purpose is making money.
Gorski is involved with the Midwest Senior Empowerment Project, a nonprofit that held a senior summit in Stevens Point, where the currently county-owned Portage County Health Care Center could be sold by the end of the year. Also in attendance at the senior summit was Nancy Robbie, founder of the Save the Portage County Health Care Center Facebook group, who's been fighting to keep the nursing home public since 2017.
The health care center has provided so much care for so many people over the years. It's an institution, an icon in this community.
Robbie is concerned that selling the nursing home to the Ensign Group could mean worse care at the facility, which currently has an overall Medicare rating of 5 stars. However, the situation isn't black and white, according to Portage County Board Chair Ray Resser.
They've over-budgeted, essentially. They've requested tax exceedance amounts, and then they have not brought in enough residents to incur costs to actually use that tax levy money.
The Portage County Health Care Center has 48 beds to fill, but usually only fill between 20 and 30 of those beds, and request a budget meant to fill closer to 30 to 40 beds, according to Resser. However, Resser also knows how great the care at the nursing home is, and that makes selling it a difficult decision for the board.
A little backstory, when I was first on the board, I was on the Health Care Center committee, and I was a proponent of keeping the Health Care Center.
Current supporters of the nursing home staying in county care cite that the community has passed referendums to continue funding the nursing home, even if it means higher taxes. A public county board meeting taking place mid-December is set to make the final decision regarding the sale of the Portage County Health Care Center. Reporting in Portage County, Derek Tritz, Newswatch 12.